Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove the background of an image so that you can use it for your social media graphics. Okay, so getting started, we are not going to start using Photoshop by the way, for the sake of those who use other softwares, and for the sake of those using mobile phones, they will be using the Photopea online, photopea.com or photopea.com. So for the sake of those people and everyone, I'm going to show you a very simple way to do this. So you head on to your browser and you are going to go to the website called www.pixelcat.ai. So you go to this website, you have background remover, image upscaler, and image eraser. So you pick the background remover and then you click upload image, then you upload your image from here to this place. Okay, and this website is going to do everything for you and it's going to be very clean. All you have to do is just wait a while as it removes the background for you, and as you can see, it is done. So what you're going to do is head up to the top right corner and click on download. So now the background has been removed. You can use it in any of your designs. So let's pick one. Let's create one here. So let me bring this image here. So I can click and drag this image over here, and we have, as you can see, the background has been removed, and we can use this in our image, in our design. So for those who are using Photopea or Pixel Lab and the rest, you can use this software. All right, you can use this software to remove the background in your the background of your image. All right, now let's come back to Photoshop. How you can use this? You can use Photoshop to do this. All right. So in Photoshop too, it's very simple. You just head on to select, and then you click on subject, and Photoshop is also going to take the time to identify the subject in this image and select it nicely. And as you can see, Photoshop has done a very nice job on selecting this. I don't know whether you can see these lines on the edges. Yeah, so what you are going to do is, you see this square with a circle within it. When you hover over it, it says add a mask. Click on it and it removes the background for you. So as you can see, I can drag this layer to the design that we're creating over here, and as you can see, let's scale it down. Right, it's also, Photoshop has also done a very nice job here. All right, so this is the two ways you can use to select your image or your subject from a background, or to remove your background. All right, now there's also a third way, and that is the most stressful part. That is, you are going to use your pen tool to select the subject. All right, so with the pen tool, we come to the tools panel and click on the pen tool. You can choose the pen tool, you can choose the curvature pen tool. For me, I prefer using the curvature pen tool. Most people use pen tool, but I prefer the curvature pen tool because I'm not good at the curves. All right, so with this, it's going to do the curves for me. All I have to do is, as you would be selecting the edges and curving the paths of this pen. Okay, so realize that this blue is moving in line with the edges that as I'm selecting. All right, so what you have to do, if you cannot see the blue, you have to come to the top here. You see this gear icon here, click on it, and you see rubber band. Check it. All right, check it. If you don't check it, you will not see it. And secondly, if your Photoshop is a latest version, or is a latest version and your machine is not powerful enough, this blue is not going to appear blue, it's going to appear gray. All right, so check that. So you check that, and then you keep selecting the edges as you go. So I'm going to do this, take my time, zoom in, and then keep selecting the image over here. So do not worry if you are making mistakes. You can always make sure that you are selecting within the image. Do not select outside the image. Otherwise, by the time you finish, then your image, your object that you've selected or removed from the background is going to have white edges. All right, so make sure you are selecting within the image, exactly on the edges. All right. Okay, so when editing this, I'm going to speed up this particular video so that this video doesn't get boring over here. So as long as you are done with this, so when you're done this, what you're going to have something like this. The pen tool is not easy to use, please. It's not easy to use, so do not expect to be good at it on your first time. So if this is your first time, relax. If you're not good with it, we're good with that. So what you're going to do is right click, and you come to make selection and OK. So it's going to make the selection, and then you come back to add your mask. Remember, the square with the rectangle with the circle within it, click on it, and your background has been removed. All right, so you realize that this background has been removed nicely, and we can use it in this image like this. See, the background has been removed. So these are the ways that you can use to remove the background of an image. Thank you for this particular video. See you in the next lesson.